Oh, no. Oh, hi guys. Hello guys. We are going. We are going for another game, and our goal is to make it to 3 wins. Here we go. Oh no! The death animation is a dead body. Oh my god. There's another death. Oh, that was the clutch. Oh my god. There was an eagle. Another eagle. So many eagles. And guys, 1 win. 2 more wins to go. Okay.
Okay, good to see you. Yeah, you too.
Okay, guys. We have 1 win. We are going for 3 wins. Oh no! I'm not going all the way up because I know what's coming next. Oh my gosh, I went all the way up. Okay guys, that was 2 wins. Then for 1 win. That was over. And the ads come back to harm me again. Wait, no, I won't say harm me. Oh, that was the coolest thing, but then I died. Hey, the body's up.
Are you still making a video?
Yeah.
How long is it?
Well, Mom, I did do a false video. Okay, back to the video. Okay, we're almost done here. Oh, that was a clutch. Guys, I might do a Facebook video for you guys. So, yeah. And also watch my shorts. There is a Facebook video. Oh, this time I didn't get first. I get first every time. No! No! Wait, that was my 3rd win, I think. That was my 3rd win. Guys, that's it for today. Bye.